Why is word wrap important in HTML line breaks? Have you ever wondered why some text on a web page looks neat while other text seems to spill out of its container? The answer lies in word wrap and how it interacts with line breaks in HTML. Let's break it down to understand why this is so important for creating readable web pages. Word wrap plays a key role in how text behaves when it reaches the edge of a container, like a browser window. When text is too long without proper word wrapping, it can overflow its container. This can lead to layout issues, making the content difficult to read. Imagine trying to read a long word that stretches off the screen. It can be frustrating, right? In HTML, you can create line breaks manually using the break tag. This forces the text to start on a new line. However, word wrap is an automatic process that happens when text needs to fit within its space without manual breaks. This is especially important when dealing with varying content lengths, such as long words, URL, or text from users. Let's look at some key points. First, word wrap prevents overflow. If a long word or string of characters does not fit within its container, word wrap allows the browser to break the word and continue it on the next line. This keeps the layout intact and avoids horizontal scrolling or broken designs. Next, there are specific CSS properties that control word wrapping. The overflow wrap property, previously known as word wrap, and the word break property manage how and when words break. For instance, using overflow wrap set to break word tells the browser to break words if necessary to avoid overflow. On the other hand, word break set to break all forces breaks between any characters, which can be useful but may affect readability. It is also important to differentiate between line breaks and word wrap. A line break is a manual instruction to start a new line, while word wrap is an automatic process. Both are essential for ensuring text fits well on the page. Sometimes, you may want to prevent breaks in certain places, like between two words or around punctuation. In such cases, HTML entities like non-breaking spaces can help keep parts of text together without breaking. Understanding word wrap is vital for beginners creating web pages. It helps ensure that text content looks good on different screen sizes and devices. For example, if you have a paragraph with a long URL or a continuous string without spaces, applying overflow wrap in your CSS will keep your page layout clean by allowing the text to break and wrap properly. In essence, word wrap is important in HTML line breaks because it maintains the readability and structure of your web page. It controls how text flows within its container, preventing layout issues caused by long words or strings that would otherwise overflow. This knowledge is essential for creating engaging and user-friendly web pages.